Hi, I'm Miss Susan from the Euless Public Library, and this is my assistant,
Brandon,
and this is
STEMtastic Stations Virtual Edition.
all right.
Give me that. That's mine.
So today we're gonna make some elephant toothpaste.
Elephant toothpaste? How do you do that?
Well, I'll show you how to do it. It's a pretty
You exploded cup.
exploded cup. It's a pretty simple chemical reaction that we're gonna do. All you'll need is some hydrogen peroxide, some dry yeast, and some dish soap and food coloring and a little bit of water.
You put it in a cup?
Put it in a cup, we could. So what we started out with doing is we went ahead and put a half a cup, which is what Brandon has there, is a half a cup of hydrogen peroxide in your bottle. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add a tablespoon of dish soap. Do you want to do that?
Yeah.
We're going to add it to your bottle of hydrogen peroxide.
Can I just dip it in?
Alright, so here.
Wait, can I just dip it in?
Yep, stick it in there.
Yeah.
Oh, you missed.
I know. I always miss.
That's okay. We'll just kind of squirt a little bit more in there. That should be good. Alright, so we have a tablespoon of dish soap, and we have a half a cup of hydrogen peroxide. Now, do you want to go ahead and
do my colors?
Which colors? Do you want to do both?
Yeah.
You need 5 drops or 10 drops total, so 5 of each.
Wait.
5 of each in here.
Okay. Okay.
You can do it at the same time. Oh.
This one did 5.
Okay. Okay, that's good. So this bottle is done, and then what we're going to do is in another cup, you want to have some warm water. I have about a 4th cup of warm water in our measuring cup, and we're going to add 1 packet of dried yeast to that. Hopefully I can get this open without scissors, because I didn't grab any. Okay, so I'm going to pour it in there, and you can start, Brandon.
You put the whole bag in.
Whole bag of dried yeast.
Whoa, that smells good.
Does it? Does it kind of smell like bread?
Smells like straw.
Straw? It smells like straw.
Yeah, it smells like straw.
So,
You just twist.
yep, and you want to kind of the instructions that I had read
Oh, that's hot smell.
online says it needs to be kind of like the consistency of like melted ice cream. So, okay, so after you stir for about 30 seconds, we're going to add the yeast solution to our hydrogen peroxide. Do you want to do that?
Yes.
Okay, it's going to happen now. So when you put it in there, it's going to react. Are you ready?
Okay.
Go ahead and
Do it. Wait, what? You gonna take it off?
I'm going to take it off. I think you can get it in there without, because this has a little thing, a spout. All right, you ready? Pour it in there. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no!
Sorry. Sorry, everyone.
So make sure you have a tray to put this on. And make sure you put a towel down. Because apparently it reacts really fast.
Plus it keeps going and going.
Does it keep going and going? I bet if we kind of give it a little shake, it'll more.
No.
So that's how you make elephant toothpaste.
How do you get it off?
How do you get it off? What do you mean? You wash it off.
With soap?
You can just wash it off with water. It does have hydrogen peroxide, but we used 3% hydrogen peroxide. You can use 6%. Just make sure you realize that it could.
Can I just put this down on the towel?
Yes, you may. That if you use the 6% hydrogen peroxide, your skin is fairly sensitive, that it may react to your skin. But it's fine. What?
Can I wash my hands?
Yes, but let's say bye first.
Bye.
Wait.
Get in.
Stay tuned for the science, and maybe I will do a slow-mo clip of what the reaction after after I show you the science.
Before it exploded.
All right. Bye.
Bye. I'm out of here.
So let's talk about the science of elephant toothpaste. The two main components of this experiment is the hydrogen peroxide and the catalase in the yeast. Hydrogen peroxide has the chemical formula of H2O2, which breaks down into oxygen, O2, and water, H2O, when it is exposed to the light. This is a fairly slow process, but it can easily be sped up by adding a catalyst. The catalyst that we are using in this experiment is the yeast, which as a living organism contains catalase. Catalase is an enzyme that you can find in most living organisms that are exposed to oxygen. They use this enzyme to break down harmful hydrogen peroxide that they naturally come in contact with. By adding the dish soap, you are creating additional surface tensions for the oxygen bubbles to get trapped in, creating all of that foam. This foam creates an effect that looks very much like a huge amount of toothpaste, like the amount an elephant would need coming out of its tube. Hence the name elephant toothpaste.